Hey guys, welcome to Infi Tamil. Let's solve today's daily challenge. ஸோ டெய்லி சொல்கிற மாதிரி கோடை காப்பி மட்டும் பண்ணாதீங்க, லாஜிக் அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் பண்ணிக்கோங்க அண்ட் யூ கோட் இட் யுவர் செல்ஃப். ஓகே, லெட்ஸ் சால்வ் டுடேஸ் டெய்லி சேலஞ்ச். ஸோ ஃபர்ஸ்ட் லெட்ஸ் அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் தி கொஷின். Pairs divisible by 5. We have given m and n as the input and we need to form a two list. Those two list is ranging from 1 to m and 1 to n respectively. Now we have to form a pair that is divisible by 5, and we also given a note that the sum of integers in each pair must be divisible by 5, and then the pair that is already formed should not, the number by using which the pair is formed should not be used again. So that's the condition that they have given. Now let's understand the question better. The sample input that they given is 7 and 5, so the count which they are getting is 5. So for 1 to 7 we have integers from 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. For 5 we have 1 2 3 4 and 5. So we can first try to have a brute force approach for this. First take the one and compare with this one, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, and they take this 2, compare with 1, compare with 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on, so that we can compute all the values. So here if you add 1 and 4, that is 5. So 5 is divisible by 5. So that is one possible condition. And if you add this 2 and this 3, we'll be having 5. So that is also divisible by 5. And 3 and 2, 4, this 4 and this 1, and then 5 plus 5, that is 10. So 10 is also divisible by 5. So one thing which they omitted is 7 and 3, because we already have 3 here. So as per the condition that they have given, we should use only once. Whatever the element is there here is being used only once. So that's the question. If you take 16 and 18, we are having 15 count of elements or 15 count of pairs we have. Okay, let's solve our problem. So I think we don't need much explanation for this. The question is clear. Now let's solve the question. So first let's get the input m and n, map of in comma input dot split, and then you can have an empty list or you can have a list. Let's have a m list. Here let's use a list comprehension. The value for value in range we need to have from 1 to m plus 1. Similarly, we need to have second list for value in range 1 to n plus 1, and then we need to have a count. Let's have a count that's equal to 0, and then we can have a 2 empty list so that we can check for the duplication. So let's call that as pair m and pair n. Have a empty list. Now we are going to have 2 for loops. So this is going to be a brute force approach. So if you find any optimal code than this, just please comment down below so that everyone can know that. So we are having 2 for loops and we are going to check whether the I plus j percentage 5. So I am dividing by 5 and getting the remainder. So that remainder should be 0, and I when the I is not in the pair of m, and I'm just checking for the duplication, so that I'm giving like this, and j is not in pair of n. So if this condition is satisfied, then we can probably increase the count by 1, and then we need to append the value of I and j to these pairs. So just append the value of I, append the value of j to the respective lists. So now we can check. If the count is going to be 0, you have to print -1. That's the one case that they have given, so that is to be noted. I think somewhere here they have given, so we have to print -1 if the count is not if the count is 0. So print -1 and else print the value of count. Okay, this is the program. Let's try to run this. So we have got an error, so sorry for that. The L is not capital, L is small. So let's try to run this again. Let's see whether it is running or not. Yep, we are done. Thanks guys, thanks for watching. Don't copy the code, understand the logic, do it your own. Happy coding.